The pros and cons of using VR for business. Virtual reality, VR, technology has the potential to change the way businesses operate. This technology utilizes computer-generated simulations to create realistic experiences that can be viewed and interacted with using a headset or other devices. If utilized properly, VR technology can provide businesses with numerous benefits, including enhanced communication, improved training and operational efficiencies, and better customer service. However, there are also drawbacks associated with this technology, which businesses need to be aware of before implementing it. Pros. 1. Enhanced communication. VR technology can provide businesses with a powerful tool for communicating with both internal and external stakeholders. This technology can be used to create immersive virtual environments, which can enable teams to collaborate on projects in real time, no matter where they are located. For instance, in the architecture and construction industry, VR technology can help professionals to visualize design concepts and make changes on the fly. In the hospitality industry, virtual tours of hotels and restaurants can be used to showcase facilities to potential clients. 2. Improved training and operational efficiencies. VR technology can also be used to improve training and operational efficiencies in businesses. For example, in manufacturing, VR technology can be used to simulate complex machinery and equipment, allowing technicians and operators to train on them without the need for the actual machines. 3. Better customer service. VR technology can be used to provide customers with a more personalized and immersive experience. For instance, in the automotive industry, customers can visualize and customize their car interiors using VR technology. 4. Increase safety. VR technology can also be used to enhance safety in the workplace. In the aviation industry, VR technology can be used to simulate emergency situations, allowing pilots and flight attendants to train for potential disasters. Cons. 1. High cost. One of the major drawbacks of VR technology is that it can be costly to implement. The technology requires expensive hardware, software, and specialized training, which may not be feasible for all businesses. Additionally, businesses must factor in the cost of regular maintenance and upgrades, which can add to the overall expense. 2. Limited accessibility. Another drawback of VR technology is that it may not be accessible to everyone. VR technology requires specialized hardware to operate, which can make it difficult for older or less tech-savvy employees to use. Additionally, individuals with certain medical conditions, like epilepsy, may not be able to use VR technology due to the potential for seizures. 3. Potential for motion sickness. The immersive nature of VR technology can lead to motion sickness in some users. This can be especially problematic in industries where workers need to be fully alert and aware, like aviation or heavy equipment operations. Additionally, customers may be less inclined to use VR technology if they experience motion sickness, which can negatively impact sales and marketing efforts. 4. Limited real-world interactions. VR technology can be so immersive that it may reduce the need for real-world interactions. In addition, businesses should also consider the ethical implications of VR technology. Virtual environments can be so realistic that it may be difficult for users to distinguish them from reality. This can be particularly problematic in industries like gaming or military simulation, where users are desensitized to violence and may normalize dangerous behaviors. Therefore, It is important for businesses to establish clear guidelines and regulations around the use of VR technology. This includes ensuring that virtual environments adhere to the same safety and ethical standards as the real world. If used responsibly, VR technology can revolutionize the way businesses operate and interact with their stakeholders. As the technology continues to evolve and become more mainstream, businesses will need to adapt and learn how to effectively utilize VR technology to gain a competitive advantage. This may require investing in specialized talent and resources, as well as engaging with customers and stakeholders to understand their needs and expectations. Furthermore, as VR technology becomes more integrated into everyday life, its impact on society and culture must also be taken into account. For example, the use of VR technology in the entertainment industry may change the way we consume and experience media, while its use in education may change the way we learn and acquire knowledge. In addition to the business applications of VR technology, it is also being used in other fields such as healthcare, education, and entertainment. In healthcare, VR technology has been used to provide pain relief, treat phobias, and assist with physical rehabilitation. The entertainment industry has also embraced VR technology, offering viewers a more immersive and engaging experience. For example, VR technology has been used to create interactive video games and virtual concerts. The use of VR technology in the entertainment industry has been growing rapidly, and it is expected to become even more prevalent in the future. For instance, VR technology can be used with eye sensors to create a fully immersive and interactive smart home environment. Additionally, eye can be used to create intelligent virtual assistants that can provide users with personalized recommendations and assistance in a VR environment. As the capabilities of VR technology continue to expand, it is also important for businesses to address the potential ethical concerns around its usage. The immersive nature of VR technology can create a sense of detachment from reality, leading to ethical concerns around the use of violence, sex, and other sensitive content. Additionally, there are concerns around the potential impact of long-term VR usage on mental health and social relationships. To address these concerns, businesses must establish clear guidelines and policies around VR technology usage, taking into account factors such as safety, privacy, and user consent. It is also important for businesses to engage with stakeholders and users to understand their concerns and expectations, and to work towards creating responsible and ethically sound VR experiences. Moreover, the COVID-19 pandemic has further highlighted the potential of VR technology in various industries, especially those that heavily rely on in-person interactions and physical presence. In education, VR technology has been used to create virtual classrooms and training sessions, allowing students and teachers to interact and collaborate in a simulated environment. In the business world, VR technology has also been utilized to recreate the office environment and facilitate remote teamwork and collaboration. Teams can meet in a virtual conference room, collaborate on projects in a shared virtual workspace, and even attend virtual trade shows and exhibitions. Furthermore, VR technology offers a scalable solution for businesses and institutions looking to expand their reach, reduce costs, and increase efficiency. By utilizing VR technology, businesses can cater to a wider audience, provide personalized and customized services, and automate repetitive tasks.